Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the auto select player function in match roles of eFootball 2024. So this is the auto pick for your captain and your free kick taker. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event or complete the mission and quests or of the objectives so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap your game plan in the middle one. Tap your club, and the second one in match roles. So in this page you can change your captain here, choose the highest rating, and like short free kick, left corner, penalty taker, even the who's to join attack in the corner. So you can do it manually, but there are short way here. If you are still confusing or still have a doubt, you can use this feature, the auto select. Just tap and settings configure. So this is a change automatically about your captain, your free kick taker, also your corner taker. But player to join attack still not automatically pick. You have to pick manually. For example, tap Eder Militao, tap Match the League here. And please free to try. Try to do it manually or automatically. It's up to you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the button below. Enjoy the game.